Hi, my name is Calvin Barrett, Strategic Partnership Manager here at Acro Commerce. Today, I'd like to run through a demo of the Acumatica-Shopify native integration, along with highlighting why you might want to look at a decoupled solution, such as our in-house accelerator Gesso, that goes beyond just a basic integration to help you digitize more complex sales flows. So I've got an example here of a native Shopify store with an integration to Acumatica. We have a list of battery related or solar products on our store, as well as a catalog that you can always access, very similar products, deals, and contacts. I've recently put through an order that's 2 products. I can quickly pop down here. And just to show that it's available on Acumatica and they're synced together, I'll go into our sales orders and look at the most recent sales order. And if you confirm, they are both the same price or the same units. Now that's great, but what if I was to look beyond that and I've signed into an account and I want to go into my account history? All I'm able to view is my order history and adjust my account details. However, for times when you want to speak with clients for them to be able to access maybe purchase orders or account invoices, this becomes a bigger challenge. Imagine if your purchase orders are these complex flows where engineering drawings are being sent back and forth. Well, this goes beyond just the basic scope of being able to have an account page. And that's why we've created Gesso, our in-house accelerator that allows you to plug into Acumatica directly, as well as e-commerce platforms, to be able to maximize your potential and use the system for what's best for your business rather than fitting your business around a system that doesn't work for you. So I've got a basic example of Gesso spun up here. And so much like any e-commerce platform, we can view our store with all of the products that are available. However, I'm going to focus specifically on the account page. Now I've already signed in, so I'm going to go to my account. And now a number of these features are already dynamically pulled in from Shopify. You can think of our account pages, addresses, and orders. And if I was to check my orders, I'll be able to see that, yes, my order has come through. However, if I want to look at my invoices, previously on that Shopify native page, we weren't able to access it. However, here, what we've done is we've pulled it directly from Acumatica so that we can view it. And just to prove that it's on both ends, I'll go through the invoice order. So after I purchased the product, I created an invoice and then set it up. And then we've just got it loading in. So I've got all my details coming through and it's the 2 products. Now, just to prove that we're actually pulling it directly from Acumatica, I'll go back into our sales orders, our invoices, and finally pull up the invoice. And there's our 2 products. So this might be just one of the few options of why you might want to use a decoupled accelerator for your business. So if you're struggling with challenges similar to what I mentioned earlier, we'd love to hear more from you and see where we can help bridge the gap between making a system work for you rather than you working for your system. My name is Calvin Barrett, and I hope you have a great day.